Basically, the lady said we have to keep this shut at all times because of the monkeys and they bite.
How old are you?
33.
Only.
I feel 63.
Really? Why?
Oh, I lived a life. Lived a life. Oh, my hair and beard.
6.
Oh, I see.
No, belt also 6.
Oh,
Yeah.
maybe Sikh, I don't know. Okay.
You got it?
I've got it. Very happy.
In India, very.
I'm Elise, this is Lawrence, and this is our baby Nye.
We're travelling the world.
But we're going to be doing things a bit differently. We're going to be travelling a month.
And coming back to the UK and working a month. We're going to be travelling month on, month off.
Until this little one goes to school in a couple of years.
We want to see if it's actually possible to travel the world
With a toddler in tow.
So subscribe and come along for the journey.
Okay, so we're in the hotel room, Bloom Rooms at Janpath. That one. Great hotel, very clean, staff are amazing. We've just packed up. We're gonna do a trip now, a road trip. So we've got a car and we're gonna go down to the Taj, then round to Jaipur, then back up to Delhi for the next 4 or 5 days.
Why are we getting a car?
We're getting a car because we were too late booking our train tickets. Make sure you book your train tickets well in advance, at least a week. We're hoping car has air conditioning and that we don't have to pay for the driver's accommodation because I didn't double check that.
And he doesn't stay in our bed with us.
Bye. We've got the driver, the main man. We just met the driver. Great guy, speaks very good English as well. We're happy. We're gonna go and get some food. This is the best restaurant in Connaught Place. Keep watching.
Yeah, nice. Show Daddy, what's this?
Spooky books.
Spooky Books. Okay, by Ricky Gervais. This is our driver for the next 4 days.
What's his name?
Namaskar.
नमस्कार
आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम राजू
Okay. Lawrence से. आप कहाँ से? Delhi?
नो सर उत्तराखंड से
Oh, where is that? North or the south?
नॉर्थ साइड
North. Okay, great.
If you're in Delhi, we were recommended this place by the same amazing, wonderful man that booked our car for the next 4 days. So it's a local recommendation. It's called Sandoz. If you're from Delhi, you will know it apparently. Mine and Nye's favourites are these spring rolls. They looked more appetising when they came out, but Nye's been at them. And this, affectionately known as yellow rice, which is Singapore rice. Lawrence has a thing called bati chicken,
Big batty chicken.
which is his favourite. Also, we should point out for travellers, it's very, very clean. Like, very clean. They even have a rota on the back of the toilet about when it's been cleaned, which is like, who even does that in Delhi? And now we are going to Agra.
I can't wait.
We'll see you in Agra.
So we've been in the car for about 3 hours. These two are asleep and I'm editing some videos. I just saw a camel.
So we've just woken up from a lovely nap. Nye's still obsessed with his Ricky Gervais book about monsters. Still carrying it around like a briefcase. And we're nearly there. So apparently we've got a guide for the Taj Mahal, so we really are fancy. So we have just arrived at our homestay. This is our guide that we just picked up who's going to take us tomorrow, sort out our tickets, and let's go and have a look. We're staying in a homestay today, which we've not done, which I think is a little bit like a B&B. Can you say hi? This feels like a proper operation to get to the Taj, I tell you. Yep. See you later.
Yeah, we just arrived at the homestay.
Wow, this is beautiful. So this place, our guide said, is literally the closest place to the Taj Mahal. We picked it, or Lawrence picked it, because it looked really, really nice, really like cultural, and it was like £23 a night. So this lovely lady over here is tomorrow is going to do me some henna and I'm so excited. So let's go and have a look at our room.
Can you give me henna?
Yeah. Thanks. Fantastic. Beautiful.
Do don't close monkey because the monkey is bite.
Thank you.
Shall I look? Oh, the bites. Be careful. Huh? Yeah, it's closed.
Gonna go out. Wish me luck.
Where's the fan, Bubba?
Gonna go out quickly. Shh. There's no monkeys. So far, so good. I'm going in. I didn't get eaten. But basically, the lady said we have to keep this shut at all times because of the monkeys and they bite. Let's show you the bathroom.
Crazy white people don't listen.
So cupty. So cupty.
Cup of tea?
Oh no.
Oh, it's up there.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, very clean.
Wow. Whoa.
Say bye, horsey.
Bye, Lucy. This unit.
Mostly plain, huh?
Yeah.
Plain? Plain?
You want these things?
Not these things.
Like maybe this little colour. Is that maroon?
Yes, yes.
Prefer maroon
Like a plain maroon.
Okay, no, nice. Careful.
Get up, no problem.
Is that?
So
No problem.
Good boy, no.
See, you can get like this kind here.
That's nice.
And the size is also good. Listen.
What size? 46?
No, it's 52. It will fit you, no problem.
Is that funny? Is that funny?
You can try, no problem. Then I will give you white pants.
Isn't he handsome?
Yeah.
I like that colour on you.
Like this here, and the white pants you want.
I really like that. That's really, really smart.
Exactly like this, man. With the drawstrings, you can make it small, so it comes with wrinkles here. Understand? Then looks more nice.
That's very fancy. Oh, thank you.
Dhanyavad. How old are you?
33.
Only.
I feel 63.
Really? Why?
Oh, I lived a life. Lived a life.
Baby.
What is this?
Microphone.
This one?
Microphone.
My mum, white British. My dad is African. I'm the mix.
No.
You look
Oh,
like
my hair and beard.
Six. No, belt also 6.
Oh, built. Maybe Sikh, I don't know. You don't know. Okay,
Got it?
I've got it. Very happy.
Yeah, very.
They've got a big variety. Darjeeling tea, Assam tea, a lot of different type of, which actually boost up the immunities also. Right. That got popular just during the pandemic.
So shopping is done. We're now coming back to have something to eat. We're so excited to try this. It's supposed to be really good. We're gonna have some dinner.
I did not eat.
Dinner.
With this homestay, you can have dinner here, and it is about 350 rupees. So what's that? About £3.50. And they have like a home-cooked Indian dinner. We're so excited.
So you can care for.
Thank you. What is this? What?
Food is rice and lentil. Is mixed vegetable and this is a sai paneer. It's a very traditional in India.
Okay. Thank you.
Inside is cottage cheese and gravy.
Thank you very much.
And chapati I will bring.
Thank you. So that's
Lentils.
lentils. Vegetables.
Smell the cinnamon, man. Ooh. Is that the lentil one, yeah?
Yeah. Is it spicy?
Yeah. No, not overwhelming at all. Just very mild, very like enjoyable, like home food. I like it.
Let's try a bit of the vegetables with this and the chapati. Oh, that's got paneer. So a bit of that. And then, oh, these feel nice. Okay.
It's fruits. No, it's fruits.
Yeah, it's nice. It's not as spicy.
Is it spicy?
It feels definitely more home cooked than a restaurant one.
No.
Try it.
No.
You dip some bread.
No.
Some chapati.
Oh, right.
We've been talking about what the difference is between when you eat a curry out in India and you have one of these proper home cooked curries.
Yeah, please could you let us know what the difference is? We think. What is it?
Don't you get it?
Well, I think they've made this curry a little bit less spicy for the fact that it's us. But it seems cleaner, like less rich. Yeah, like just healthier. What do you think?
Yeah, less butter. Less butter, less sugar, less spice. So it's just like a very hearty meal. Very tasty. We're getting up at 5:30, get down to the Taj, see the sunrise. We're going to try on our, Elisa's got an all white outfit that she bought from Delhi. I've got my new Kurta that I'll be wearing. We're looking forward to it. Nai's got his little outfit that he's going to be wearing. Please, if you can click somewhere around here and watch the next video of us at the Taj.
Via Malenke!